Socializing 21. In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4993, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that thinking well about people is an aspect of worshipping Allah, the Exalted, correctly. Meaning, it is an aspect of obeying Allah, the Exalted. Interpreting things in a negative way often leads to sins, such as backbiting and slander. A Muslim should interpret things where possible in a positive way, in order to give the benefit of the doubt to others. Unfortunately, adopting a negative mindset affects people from a family unit to a national level. For example, how many times has a nation gone to war over an assumption and suspicion? The vast majority of scandals which are found in the media are based on assumptions. Even laws have been created which support the use of assumptions and suspicion. This often leads to fractured and broken relationships, as people with this mindset always believe others are taking a dig at them through their words or actions. This prevents one from taking advice from others, as they believe they are only being mocked by the one giving advice, and it prevents one from giving advice, as they believe the other person will not pay any attention to what they say. And a person will refrain from advising the one who possesses this negative mindset, as they believe it will only lead to an argument. This leads to other negative traits, such as bitterness. It is important for Muslims to understand that even if they assume someone is taking a dig at them, they should still accept their advice, if it is based on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Always interpreting things negatively also gives rise to a powerful mental illness, namely, paranoia. The one who adopts paranoia will always suspect others of bad things. This can be extremely destructive to relationships, such as marriages. One should strive to interpret things where possible in a positive way, which leads to a positive mentality. And a positive mindset leads to healthy relationships, feelings and unity. Whereas, always interpreting things in a negative way encourages one to always think and act negatively towards others, even when their behavior is good. This only prevents one from fulfilling the rights of others, something which has been commanded by Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 12.
O you who have believed, avoid much negative assumption. Indeed, some assumption is sin.